Welcome to J&J's test video for 9459 2001 Viper, 48,000 miles on it, theft recovery. You see down in there, we started with a butter knife. It's all there, it runs. Let you hear the motor, it's got a little miss in it. Let's see what's up. 43,852 miles. It's got this nice setup for the shifter, sawzalled off, and a homemade key. It's up in oil pressure. It might be modified. It sounds like it could have a cam in it. Got a couple different little over here. I'll let you listen to it. Ran some sea foam through it to clean up the intake and everything. Sounds pretty good. It sounds canned, or it's just got a really shitty mix. Alright, as you see, I can't test the transmission because someone cut the shifter off. And that'll do it. We'll still hold oil pressure, 60 pounds. That'll do it for 9459 2001 Viper, 43,000 miles. As always, thanks for watching and have your pets spayed and neutered.